Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best plate joiners that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Dewalt DW682K 6.5 amp plate joiner. At the top of the list is the Dewalt plate joiner that has been equipped with very powerful motors. The power of the motor is 6.5 amp that rotates at 10,000 revolutions per minute, meaning you can comfortably work with it on the hardest wood you can find. Flush cuts can be made at 0 degrees without necessarily removing the fence. Dual rack and pinion fence ensure that the blades and fence are always parallel to each other for accurate joints every time you use it. It is very easy to use and operate due to its durability. In case you are not happy with this item, you can return and get your full money refund. You should not worry when buying it. At number 4, Festool 574432 Domino Joiner DF500Q set. This is very unique in that it has patented cutting action that rotates as well as oscillates and creates perfect, very clean and repeatable mortises every time it is used. It has easy alignment when panels are being joined through mortise width adjustment. For clean mortise hole, it has dust extractable design. It also helps in better glue adhesion and longer life of cutting biscuits. The pivoting fence allows creating angled mortise from 0 to 90 degrees. Joining has always been a slow, difficult process. The Festool Domino cuts the fat from joinery to let craftsmen make stronger, faster and easier joints. The Domino joiner with its revolutionary cutting method creates mortises that accept beech and sipo tenons called dominoes. The process is fast, easy and accurate. At number 3, VonHaus 8.5 amp wood biscuit plate joiner. This is very suitable for woods of all kind. It has been designed with a dust bag to suction all the debris from your working area to keep it clean and clear operation. It has preset depth stops for biscuits that range from 0, 10 and 20. These depths are accurate and there is no need for measurement. It has an enhanced comfort due to the large ergonomically designed top grip handle. It is very compatible with all biscuit joiner blades. In case you are not happy with this item, you can return and get your full money refund. You should not worry when buying it. At number 2, AOBEN 8.5 amp biscuit cutter plate joiner with number 20 wood. This one has been designed with a dust bag to ensure that you keep your workspace clean with the dust bag to the joiner. The suction function starts operating when the biscuit joiner is running. You will get a very clear view of your work since the suction will keep it clean from debris. It has preset biscuit sizes with the commonest sizes of 0, 10 and 20. It has a manual mode where you can cut the biscuits to the custom depth of your choice. It is very easy to operate through the adjustable tilt fence that can be locked in any posting from 0 to 900. In case you are not happy with this item, you can return and get your full money refund. You should not worry when buying it. At number 1, Makita XJP03Z 18 volts LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Plate Joiner. Note this before reading the rest of the information on this product, the batteries and charger are sold separately. Let us check on some of the exciting features of this product. It has a rack and pinion vertical fence system engineered for accurate fence adjustment. The pivot fence has 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees with easy centering on 3/4 inch material. It is cordless, providing performance and portability on your field of work. Finally, it has 6 depth settings. In case you are not happy with this item, you can return and get your full money refund. You should not worry when buying it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.